Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc0000005 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. So, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So, search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is a malware scan. So, search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose Full Scan. Click on Next and let it run through. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.